Today we're working on a 2009 Subaru Impreza WRX. I'm going to be installing a turbo heat blanket on the turbo down there. You have time to let your turbo cool off, because right now it's still really warm. Step, you're going to have to remove the intercooler, so all the bolts and the piping. After the intercooler is off, you can easily access the heat shield and then the turbo. I'm just going to have to remove this bracket right here to make it easier. Now that the bracket has been removed, you can easily slip this turbo blanket right on. You know. Once you get the wrap on there, hook the springs on, or wire if you have wire. But gonna grab the spring and bring it around to the hooks. Now that both springs are connected on both sides, can't really see it on this side too well, but now you can put your bolts back in through here with the bracket and go from there. Bolts are a little hard to get back in because of the nuts on the back side, but you can move the blanket and get to them. Just takes a little bit of finesse. Now you pull your heat shield back on and bolt it back in on the sides. Once the heat shield's been installed, you can go ahead and put the intercooler back on. Once the intercooler's back on, you're good to go.